Hello everyone and welcome on this new late week analysis on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So as you can see, my friends, again we have missed an excellent entry to sell the gold from W342. The gold has reversed just by 51 pips far from the entry, and however it already hit the take profit level. Could have been 600 pips of profit. What a bummer. So actually we have missed two excellent entries with the gold. Really guys, we're doing the best we can, but gold just will move the way it wants and we're just trying to catch it. However, what can we do next in the upcoming days, or actually the remaining 2 days with the gold for this week? First of all, I would like to delete the old signal, and also I would like to bring your attention that thankfully our silver signal, which I have sent just today, actually have made good profit. As we can see, the signal has almost been triggered by just 2 pips far away from the entry. I will take this as a signal activated, and thankfully it almost made over 100 pips of profit. So hopefully we can achieve the same with the gold. Now regarding gold, let me just first of all go to the weekly chart. Now as you can see, my friends, the week is almost over. Just only 1 day and 6 hours, or actually even 1 day and 8 hours for the closure of the weekly candle. So far we're actually seeing here a bearish momentum. So therefore, as you can see, last week candle has closed as a pin bar, and the current week actually seems to be weak as well. So actually it's a weaker candle. So I'm actually expecting next week to continue selling the gold. But why is the gold falling? The gold, guys, is falling right now because the federal rate funds has not changed. It just remains stable, and actually the trading war is calming down a lot right now. Therefore, investors right now abandoning gold as the safest haven and investing in other assets. That's why now the gold, actually also the gold has been way overbought over the last few months, and that actually helps the gold to take a rest right now, and most likely it will continue to be bearish until at least 3,000 in my opinion. Therefore, gold must be, actually if Trump didn't say anything or ruin it for us, gold will remain to be bearish for the upcoming months. So now based on weekly chart, we are actually expecting a bearish fall. Let me now please move to the daily chart. Now daily chart is actually interesting. It shows here a strong rejection happened exactly at the bracket of 3,400. We actually have here similar candles. Look at the similarity. Always we had twin candles at every attempt of the resistance. All of that indicates, of course, a pressure on the metal, and most likely gold will continue the fall after retesting a certain level. Also, we cannot ignore the fact that we have here also a broken triangle, as we can see, just like that. So meaning gold actually has the potential, of course, after some time to retest this level of a broken triangle, and from that point it will continue the fall. But the thing is that the triangle has already been retested. As you can see here, 2 days ago, the market actually has already retested that broken candle or that broken support trend line, which also indicates a continuation in the fall. Therefore, I would like to consider selling the gold as soon as possible, but please allow me now to go to the 4-hour time frame to explain to you our entry. Now here's the 4-hour time frame. If I just now squeeze the chart like that, it actually gives me a better view, because like this it look yuck, I can't understand anything at all. But like this, oh yeah, that feels better. Now I can see the chart clearer, and I can actually draw here at channels. So now from my point of view, as you can see right here, we have a resistance trend line has been respected right here and right there as well. So we have here 3 attempts, 4 attempts, and then a massive fake breakout, as you can see. Therefore, we have again resistance trend line number 1, 2, 3, 4, and then here a fake breakout happened because the market has actually failed to create a single attempt of the support trend line, and instead it just kept falling, and as you can see respected this area not only for once but twice. Therefore, most likely right now the gold will continue the rise to reach the same level of a resistance trend line, and from that point onward it will resume the fall, at least to reach the bottom of the support at 3272. Now, how can we actually confirm this entry? By simply check the Fibonacci retracement from this lower low to this higher high, just like that. Now, as you can see, gold actually has made here a bearish breakout from 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. Therefore, we are actually expecting from the gold to retest the Fibonacci 61.8 retracement, which was also a previous key level of a support. And from that point onward, most likely gold most likely, hopefully, of course, will continue the fall. That being said, I would consider to sell the gold exactly from 61.8, which was 3320, aiming around the lowest level of the real support right here, which means we're actually aiming around 700 pips. Actually, that's going to be way too much. No need to exaggerate too much. Let's just continue the sell till the market reach the lowest level of a real support. Lies exactly right here at 3267, which means we're actually aiming around 520 pips profit with this signal. Remember, guys, this signal is going to be valid only for today and tomorrow, and therefore our safe zone in this case shouldn't actually be ranging higher than the previous level of a resistance. Lies exactly at 3348, which was, of course, I think our previous entry, which means our safe zone will be ranging for 270 pips against 520 pips of profit. Let me now please write this signal for you. Another reason, my friends, to believe this is gonna be hopefully a good signal is, as we can see here, we have a broken support trend line as well. So therefore, we're actually hoping for the gold to respect this level of a previous support trend line and resume the resistance, the bearish reversal from that point onward. But please, my friends, remember, we are really doing the best we can here. So actually, I'm telling you something. This signal is kind of risky because actually we are deciding to sell at almost a support zone right here. But we are actually going with the momentum, and the weekly chart and daily chart, everything says bearish. So actually this signal might be really, really risky. Actually, gold has a potential to continue the rise from this point, but from fundamental view, I don't see it happening. Most likely the gold will resume the fall, hopefully at our entry. And as we can see also based on daily chart, we also still have here another confirmation, as we can see by seeing here the resistance trend line most likely gonna be respected again. So therefore, my friends, please be careful and wise and trade with the minimum lot size. I'm just being very honest with you guys. I'm not hiding anything. I'm telling you honestly, this signal doesn't really have the highest chances to work, but hopefully it will be actually a good signal. But also in the end, please don't forget to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. I will send you here updates and alerts about anything can happen, even if the news gonna be changed, if Mr. Trump is gonna make any unexpected announcement that actually might change this signal to the worse. So this is the channel, Xtreme Gold Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below this video. We hope to see you there, my friends, and hopefully we will actually see you there. This channel is completely free of cost. You don't have to pay anything at all. So again, my friends, remember, you are fully responsible for any consequences of taking this signal. You are actually taking a free signal from YouTube, so please be careful and wise about how you are actually using your own money with this signal. So in the end, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.